Hi everyone, it's time to make this two sides bracelet. Yeah, both sides are usable. After cutting the threads, leave a distance of 15 centimeters. Then put a piece of tape to keep them. It's time to start their knotting place. I use a clip to make sure that the threads won't move. Take the first thread from the left, make a 4 shape and pass the thread under the fixed one and then pull it to be tightened. Repeat the same knot. Okay, so put the strings that you knotted on it, take another one and repeat knotting. So you knot like this on all the strings. Now it's time to start the second row. Take the first string from the left, pass it under the second one, make a 4 shape from the right and pass the thread over and under through the loop. Repeat one more time and continue this knot on all other strings. Third row is like the second row. You take the first string from the left, pass it under the second one and make a 4 shape from the right, first over then under the thread through the loop and tighten it. Make 2 knots on each string and continue doing this on all the threads. And the fourth row is like first row, so make a 4 shape from the left and knot over then under the strings and repeat the same process. This is how you make this bracelet. After finishing this row, you just keep weaving the same pattern. Keep knotting to reach the desirable measurement, which is your wrist size. Okay, so it's time to finish the bracelet. You keep the two middle strings and take the side ones, cut the excess thread and burn the ends. Do the same for the other part of the bracelet. You can even keep all the strings and braid weave, but it's another way. Okay, now it's time to braid weave and finish the bracelet. Hope you like the tutorial and it's useful for you. See you in the next tutorial.